I'll give it right back.
Hey, no worries.
So I get you guys want to get it?
You got to go back.
Yeah.
Yeah, thanks. All right, guys. You got a marker? I know.
Don't push it over. Andy, what's one of the dumbest ringtones you've ever heard?
Pardon?
What's the dumbest ringtone you've ever heard?
Oh, gosh, I don't know.
What's the coolest?
Ozzy's Crazy Train.
Is that one that you have for your ex-wife?
No. All right, guys, I'm gonna go.
All right, just one more, Andy.
Real quick.
One last one, thank you, sir. You're out.
Got it? Yeah, of course. All right, bye, guys.
Thank you.
Hey, what's up? I hope you liked that video. If you did, subscribe to our channel, man. That helps us out a lot. So go ahead, subscribe to our channel, and we'll keep on putting out these great videos for you. Have a good one. Thanks.